Walking along the Cosley Trail at the Harbour Parks and Trails Heritage Park. You see it's this old road for the Cosley Farm, and of course now with a lot of erosion over the years, the rocks have come up from below, so it does make a bit of a challenging hike, but I really like it. It's really peaceful, and you never know what you will see. You could see some deer or hares. I did see a coyote one time, so you always want to be mindful when you're out the wildlife, especially coyotes. So if you see a coyote, you definitely want to make a lot of noise and try and look as big as possible, kind of similar to bears. Scare them off. This will give you an idea of the hiking conditions on this trail if you're out here. If I can do this trail and I'm pretty much out of shape, anybody pretty much can do this trail. Just really gotta watch your step. That's all, but it's really pretty. Some bridge up here. I say once you get up to this this part here, it's not too rocky, so it's not too bad. A little bit, but it kind of dissipates. Anyways, thanks for watching. Give me a subscribe if you like my video, or leave a comment. Thanks.